My Facebook ads results have been totally degrading in the last few weeks, and here's how I'll fix all my Facebook ads problems. By the way, if you're sick and tired of Facebook ads, please check out my YouTube ads case study where I'll show you how I generate 22k per month for a product that was actually banned on Facebook. The link is in the description below. Anyway, in the past I was generating at least 200 mid-ticket sales per ad account per month without a problem. My ads were running very well with a high daily budget. I had days when I was spending 3 to 6k, no problem. The pixels were tracking, I was getting good consistent results. I had no issues with delaying conversion attribution, and I was making it big time. I could run the same ads for weeks, the ad would gather social proof, and I would scale my ad accounts quickly. Right now I experience issues with consistency. Anytime I try to scale above 100 per day, the ROAS breaks. If I try very aggressive ad scale with a higher budget, it does not work 90% of the time. I end up spending a bunch of money on my initial campaigns to discover that all my campaigns failed, and then I have to start from scratch. I experience problems with my pixels, tracking sales and leads, and it's a huge mess. At the first 12 hours my campaigns start great. I manage to deliver 3 to 5 ROAS, but then it drops to 1. It's like Facebook algorithms know that I'm going to make too much money, and Facebook decreases the effectiveness of my campaigns. Also, I have problems with retargeting. Retargeting audiences are not what they used to be. A big chunk of my buyers was coming from iPhone users. I was able to track that before the iOS 14 update. Right now, many people are opting out of the Facebook tracking, and it's hard to include those people in an audience. Nobody knows if people on iOS who perform certain actions such as leads, purchases, and application forms are tracked regardless of the server-side tracking. I mainly use WordPress, and setting up the server-side tracking was quite tricky, and I had many issues getting it to work properly. The recommended implementation didn't work for me, so I had to use a plugin called Pixel Your Site to track API conversions. Getting results on Facebook ads this year is super tricky, but I'll do my best to fix my ad accounts. Here's my plan. The first thing I'll do to fix my Facebook ads result would be to test manual bidding. When I create campaigns, I'll start using the cost cap options with a cost of conversions that I'm comfortable spending. Here, if my ad sets don't get a good reach, I'll increase the bid by 10% every day until I see the desired results. It's slower, I know, but this is what I'm gonna do in order to keep the ROAS from breaking. The second thing I will do is create bigger custom audiences. I'll start creating bigger size custom audiences for my remarketing campaigns. I used to have great results with a smaller audiences, but things did not work that well when the iOS 14 changes happened. I'll try recreating different kinds of custom audiences: people who like Facebook page, people who engage with specific posts, people who watch specific video or specific videos, and I'll recreate audiences, and I'll try to have bigger size audiences. The third thing I'll do would be to set up a backup traffic source. I've been using Facebook ads since 2017 and I've been getting great results, but I decided to explore different traffic options. I was sick and tired of restricted ad accounts. That's why I transitioned to YouTube ads, and by the way, I'm getting much better results using YouTube ads. I created a free study where I'll show you how I generate 22k per month for a product that was banned on Facebook. To get the case study, please check the links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Nico, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.